They say Haiti is poor because Haitians can't lead. That is a lie. Haiti is poor because France made them pay for the crime of freeing themselves. In 1804, enslaved Africans did the impossible. They defeated the Napoleon's army. They ended slavery before America did. They built the first free black nation in the Western world. And the world punished them for it. France sent warships and said, "You owe us for the slaves you took from us. Pay or we invade." So Haiti paid for 122 years, $21 billion. Money that could have built schools, hospitals, roads. It went to France instead. Now the same country sends charity and wonder why Haiti is still struggling. You don't rob someone for 200 years, then ask why they are struggling. This is how they broke Haiti. Right now, Haiti looks like a war zone. Gangs control 80% of the capital, not street gangs, armies. A former police officer named Jimmy leads an alliance called G9. They call him Barbecue. He controls entire neighborhoods. Government can't stop him. Police won't stop him. Some police sell weapons to the gangs. Children as young as 14 carry rifles through the streets. Not playing, not fighting. Hundreds of thousands of families has been forced from their homes. Entire communities erased. Some neighborhoods formed vigilante groups. Regular people, teachers, shopkeepers, fathers, defending their streets with machetes because nobody else would. The world watched this and asks, what is wrong with Haiti? Wrong question. The question is, who did this to Haiti? Let me take you back. Back to when Haiti wasn't broke. Back to when Haiti won. Before it was Haiti, it was called Saint Dominic, a French colony, and it was hell. 500,000 enslaved Africans worked the sugar and coffee plantation. Conditions were so brutal that people died faster than they could be replaced. Ships kept coming from Africa. Graves kept filling. But here's what they never mentioned. St. Dominic was the richest colony on earth. It produced more sugar, coffee, and cotton than all the British colony combined. One small island made 40% of all the sugar in the Atlantic world. The French economy ran on it. European coffee cups were fueled by it. All of that wealth built on African bodies. And in 1791, those bodies decided they had had enough. August 1791, the enslaved people rose up. What started as a rebellion became a war they weren't supposed to win. They fought France, Spain, and Britain. 3 European empires sent armies to crush them. All failed. Then came Napoleon, the most powerful man in Europe, the general who conquered nations. He sent 40,000 soldiers to Haiti, his best troops, led by his brother-in-law. Their mission: destroy the rebellion, restore slavery. The Haitians didn't just resist, they won, led by generals like Toussaint Louverture and Jean-Jacques Dessalines. They broke Napoleon's army. Yellow fever killed thousands of French soldiers, but it was the fighting that made Napoleon quit. He lost 50,000 men. His brother-in-law died. His dream of an American empire died with him. On January 1st, 1804, Haiti declared independence, the first free black nation in the Western Hemisphere, the only successful slave revolt in history. They did the impossible, and the world never forgave them. France lost its richest colony, and France wanted payments. In 1825, the kings of France sent warships to Haiti. The message was simple: pay us 150 million francs, or we invade again. 150 million francs for what? For enslaved people France no longer owned. Plantations France no longer controlled. Profit France would never see again. They demanded Haiti pay for the crime of freeing themselves. Haiti had no choice: pay or face another war. They paid. But here is the trap. Haiti didn't have that money, so they borrowed it from French bank with interest. The country that won its freedom went into debt to its former enslaver. That debt was designed to be unpayable. For every year, 80% of Haiti's national budget went to France, not building schools, not building hospitals, not building roads, just paying. for 122 years. The debt wasn't settled until 1947. By then, Haiti was a century behind. France wasn't alone. The world punished Haiti too. The United States refused to recognize Haiti for 58 years. Why? Because America still had slavery. A successful slave revolt was dangerous. It gave enslaved people ideas. So the US pretended Haiti didn't exist. No trade, no diplomacy, no support. Britain and Spain did the same. Haiti was surrendered. Every neighbor wanted it to fail. And when Haiti finally stabilized, America came, not to help, to take over. In 1915, US Marines invaded Haiti. They stayed for 19 years, took over the banks, controlled the government, forced Haitians to build American projects. When they left, they installed dictators who would cooperate. The Duvalier families ruled for nearly 30 years. Papa Doc and Baby Doc, brutal, corrupt, backed by the United States. They stole hundreds of millions of dollars. When Baby Doc fled in 1986, he took the $300 million with him. Every time Haiti tried to stand, something pushed it down. In 2022, the New York Times investigated how much France actually took from Haiti. The answer, $21 billion. That is the money Haiti paid, plus interest, plus what Haiti could have built if that money stayed in the country. Some economists said the real number is higher, $115 billion. Compare this to the charity Haiti received. Countries donate a few millions here and there and wonder why nothing changes. It's like draining someone's bank account for a century, then giving them a gift card and asking why they are still broke. The debts Haiti paid is worth more than Haiti's entire economy today. That is not bad leadership. That is a crime scene. And the criminals never paid. So when you see a video of Haiti today, remember what you just learned. The gangs didn't appear from nowhere. They grew in the soil France poisoned. The poverty isn't Haitians' failure. It's 2 centuries of organized thefts. The cause isn't a mystery. It's what happens when a country is never allowed to build. France took 21 billion. The US took 19 years. The dictators took what was left. And now the world sends charity and wonder why Haiti can't stand. You can't drain a country for 2 centuries and then blame them for being empty. In 1804, Haiti showed the world what was impossible. Enslaved people could fight back and win. That terrified the powerful. So they spent 200 years making sure Haiti would never be an example. They turned a victory into a punishment. And now they pretend they don't know why Haiti suffers. Now you know. Share this with someone who only saw the chaos. Subscribe to Antera Studios. There is more they didn't tell you. We will cover all of it.